Good morning. This is Kristin, here to sing and chant the Bei Zhou, great compassion mantra of Kuan Yin Ling Wei Sheng Shu, the Bei Zhou Buddhas. Very thankful and honored to be present. As I mentioned in my posting, we have big family events today, so we will just be chanting the Bei Zhou, which is plenty. Very powerful energy and light. So we call and invite beloved Kuan Yin Ling Wei Sheng Shu, the Bei Zhou Buddhas, all of our teachers, guides, angels, guardian ones, spiritual companions, Shifus, all the angels, the Buddhas, the saints, the Bodhisattvas, all that we have ever called and invited to this practice. We invite you to come, simply be present with us, walk this pathway of light with us as we serve in this way to bring more compassion and light to the Mother Earth planet at this time. We bless her living things. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So nice big breath. Bring all that energy down to the first soul house. Excuse me. Let's state our intention for this practice today. What came to me was a line from The Fiddler on the Roof. The line from the song says, "The Lord would have us be joyful, though our hearts lie panting on the floor." And the message is there is always room for joy. There is always room for gratitude. And these are transforming qualities. Can assist us so much. So today, joy, today, gratitude, no matter what's going on. Thank you, Learner and Low. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And take one nice big breath of light from all infinity to shine into our bodies. See that we are already beings of light. Expand that light body awareness to the edges of all universes, to the living heart of the Tao itself. And we breathe in. Back into our body space. Good morning, all who are present here, seen and unseen, known and unknown. Bei Zhou. Chen Chu Chen Yan Da Sara Bei Guan Gai Wan Man Wu Ai Da Bei Xin Tu Lu Ni. Chen Chu Chen Yan Da Sara Bei Guan Gai Wan Man Wu Ai Da Bei Xin Tu Lu Ni. Chen Chu Chen Yan Da Sara Bei Guan Gai Wan Man Wu Ai Da Bei Xin Tu Lu Ni. Invite any soul you feel might benefit by being present with you. We apologize to all souls for our mistakes. We forgive all souls their mistakes. We might go on this journey together unencumbered by that darkness. We offer this Bei Zhou chanting as an act of unconditional, universal service for the highest good of all beings. And we offer a blessing from our hearts for this chanting. And if there's anything you would like to share with the Mother, speak to her in your heart. Thank you. Nan mo la da nu do la ye nan mo wo ye bo lu che ye di so ben la ya pu ti sa ro pu ye mo hu sa do pu ye mo cha lu ni cha ya an sa ban na fa yi Suda nuda sha nan mo shi chali do yi manga boli ye bolu che ye di she fo la lang to po 金车，西里摩诃文罗萨弥，萨婆头读书帮我是云，萨婆萨多，南无婆萨多，南无婆伽，摩法特多，大觉头，安我婆卢西，卢迦帝迦罗帝，依西里摩诃菩提萨埵萨婆萨婆，摩拉摩拉摩修西里陀云，揭露揭露伽芒，嘟噜嘟噜发舍耶帝，摩诃发舍耶帝，陀罗陀罗，塞利尼，舍法拉耶，遮拉遮拉，摩摩发摩拉，摩地利，依西依西神奴神奴，摩拉上阿佛拉舍利，法上法上阿佛拉舍耶。呼噜噜摩拉，呼噜噜西里，嗦啦嗦啦，西里西里，苏噜苏噜，菩提耶菩提耶，菩提耶菩提耶，弥地利耶，努拉金车。塞利萨尼努婆耶摩努，娑婆悉陀呀，娑婆摩诃悉陀呀，娑婆悉陀ยู耶娑贝那呀，娑婆努拉金车，娑婆摩拉努拉，娑婆悉拉僧我母切耶，娑婆娑婆摩悉陀呀，娑婆遮吉拉王悉陀呀，娑婆波特摩揭悉陀呀，娑婆努拉金车班切拉呀，娑婆摩婆利上提拉呀，娑婆南无喝啦那努哆啦耶耶，南无波利耶耶，波罗揭耶帝苏贝那呀，娑婆安悉莲如曼努拉班陀耶，娑婆金刚胜庄严娑婆，上万胜庄严娑婆， mo jie sheng zhuang yan so po an bo zhe la xi shi so po. And let's rest just a moment in that amazing light. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So as I mentioned in my post and earlier, I have family events today. So I encourage you to do stillness in whatever way is good for you. And I will be back tomorrow at the weekend time to do the full practice. And you are more than welcome at that time. So we give deep gratitude to Kuan Yin and the Buddhas, to Master Sha, to all the beings of light who are present with us here, to all of our spiritual companions, all who keep us safe, keep us on the path. We cannot thank you all enough. We cannot honor you all enough. Please return and rest. Gong song, gong song, gong song. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So we carry the light with us through the day. Know that it lights our path, protects us, guards and guides us. We do our best to not lose this light through our thoughts, words, and actions, but to be still as much as possible. So have a great day. I'll be back tomorrow, and we'll continue this amazing journey together. Good morning, George. Sorry, today we won't do stillness for me. You can do it in whatever way is appropriate to you. Please do, and we'll see you tomorrow. Love you. Take care. Bye-bye.